Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pesto pasta using pesto powder. First, gather your ingredients: your favorite pasta, pesto powder, good quality olive oil, and some pasta water. This quick method is perfect for busy weeknights, delivering delicious flavor without the fuss of fresh ingredients. It's a fantastic pantry staple for a speedy and satisfying meal. To prepare your pesto, start by combining about 2 tablespoons of pesto powder with 3 tablespoons of olive oil in a small bowl. Stir these together until you have a thick, aromatic paste. If it's too thick, gradually add a small amount of hot pasta water, about 1 to 2 tablespoons, until it reaches your preferred consistency. This creates a vibrant, flavorful sauce base. Now, cook your pasta according to the package instructions until it's perfectly al dente. Before draining, remember to reserve about 1/2 cup of that starchy pasta water. It's crucial for achieving a silky sauce. Once drained, immediately add the hot pasta to your prepared pesto sauce. The residual heat will help the flavors meld beautifully, coating every strand. Finish your dish by adding the reserved pasta water, a tablespoon at a time, until the sauce reaches your desired consistency. This helps emulsify the sauce and makes it wonderfully creamy. Serve immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese and a few fresh basil leaves for extra freshness. It's a simple, delicious meal ready in minutes. Don't forget to check the description for the link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.